put it in the lowest form. So what we'll do is to simplify each term, like I love doing, taking it one at a time. So we'll start with 36.5. And remember the laws of indices. 36.5 will be equal to square root of 36. So square root of 36 is equal to 6. So let's go to the next term. 64 minus 1 over 3. That is raised to power minus 1 over 3. And this will also be 1 over square root of cube root of 64. Because here you have 1 over 3, so it is cube root of 64. And what is the cube root of 64? 4. So we have 1 over 4. And I know you may be wondering, why do we have 1 over? Remember the laws of indices? Anything raised to power minus means that you take the inverse of that number. Then the last one, 5 raised to power 0. From the laws of indices again, anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So we have 1. And if you have not watched my video on indices, maybe that is why you may not understand some of these things. So you can find the video of indices on this channel where I explained all the laws of indices. Now the next thing to do is to input all this into the main equation. So we substitute each term into the original equation. Therefore we have 6. Remember 36.5 is 6. Then 64 raised to power minus 1 over 3 is 1 over 4. And 5 raised to power 0 is 1. So when you multiply everything, you have 6 over 4. And don't forget, we are asked to simplify. And that is the same thing as 3 over 2. And that is 1 over 2. That is one whole number, 1 over 2. Very, very simple. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget once again to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Bye.